Nature will always be a part of our lives. It's up to us to make the environment clean and safe for future generation. Imagine a world without nature. Without trees, clouds, season, snow, green grass, beautiful flowers, and everything would have nature be. What would the meaning of life be? Nature is very important as humans have needed to survive and thrive, was provided by the natural world around us. Food, water, medicine, materials, for shelter, and even natural cycles such as climate and nutrients. Nature is our sole supplier. Nature is very important because if there was no nature we wouldn't be alive. Especially trees, they give us the oxygen to live and breathe. Nature is also important because we have comfortable clothes. Some of your own clothes are made